And take a look. It's a small subwoofer. 32 grams. 31, 34 millimeters. Let's turn on. Turning on. Let's go to the maximum. And take a look how small it is, and it's powerful. Oh, beautiful. It's very small. Or holding. Oh. Okay. Now let's see the millivolts. This
DC 2.6 millivolts.
What?
DC 1.2 millivolts. DC 0.0 millivolts.
Can you hear it? This multimeter
DC 2.6
have some
millivolts.
Chinese girl inside and reading the measurement. Okay. What it says.
DC 4.705 volts.
That is great. 108 nanofarads. What is it? Dot matrix module for microcontroller, 4-in-1 display. Matrix is this gadget that I made couple of years ago. Need to plug in this micro USB cable. And look, a Tetris. Beautiful. Points. And you get the point. And this thing is beautiful for beginners to learn how to solder, to learn what is an oscilloscope. 3, 2, 1. DSO 138 oscilloscope, or milliseconds. 1 millisecond. Alright. And it's almost DIY. In 3, 2, 1. And yes, 20.2 volts. What it says on the multimeter, 20.44. 23, 24, 25. And yes. Oh. Here it is, the module. Okay, here it is assembled and looking cool, amazing, awesome. In 3, 2, 1. Yes, working fine so far. Let's power up the bulb and it's pulling 1.65 amperes, and you can adjust the current using this potentiometer. Yes, I can go to 1 amp and you can see that T5AI board development, Wi-Fi dual mode, support Tuya operating system, open source frame, play with AI. Here it is, the beautiful 3.5-inch LCD screen. 3, 2, 1. Need to be connected to my Wi-Fi network. It's working, but something on Chinese. Hello?
How can I assist you today?
This is great. Tell me a joke. Tell me a joke.
Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
He tell me a joke.
What's that?
Please tell me the weather in Germany.
In Berlin, the capital of Germany. The weather is currently cloudy. The wind is coming from the west-northwest.